Welcome to Engineering Design Technology. I would like to give you a brief description of our program and what to expect as a student. What is Engineering Design Technology? Well, sometimes we are referred to as draftsmen, designers, or CAD operators. And we use the computer to create drawings from ideas or sketches from engineers. So anything you can think of in engineering, it starts with us. We have to have an idea, we have to have sketches, we have to put it on a blueprint, and it has to be manufactured. So when you think of engineering, this is the first stop right here. As an engineering design technology student, you will work in an office atmosphere, and we use various softwares to create mechanical, electrical, plumbing, civil engineering, architectural, piping, process vessels. Just anything you can think of, we can draw it in a 2D or 3D environment with the software we use. And we also have 3D printing, and we have CNC machines that we can take the ideas, the sketches, the drawings, and create an actual part that we can hold in our hand. Some of the softwares we use are AutoCAD, Inventor, SolidWorks, and Revit. And depending on what we're drawing or trying to accomplish, we can select the proper software to generate the drawings. And again, we have a state-of-the-art 3D printing and CNC lab that students can use for projects. We can come over and actually print out or cut out the parts that we design in the software. And that covers the whole, from the idea to the drawing, to design, to the manufactured part. It covers the whole entire manufacturing process. We have an associate degree that we offer, which takes 5 semesters or 2 years to complete. Within that associate degree, there are embedded 2 certificates that you will get, a CAD 1 and a CAD 2 certificate. So if you complete the program and get an associate degree, you also have 2 CAD certificates which you would add to your resume. And again, we're very flexible, and more flexible now than ever. We offer several types of programs that you can come in. We have a lot of online courses, the traditional, the hybrid, day, night classes, late start, and mini sessions. And we'll see in the next presentation how to locate those within the catalog. If you had Project Lead the Way courses in high school, you may have up to 1 semester of credit that you can earn. So any of those high school credits that you have for Project Lead the Way counts in our curriculum. There are a total of 79 hours in our class, and again, we have flexible schedules. We have open lab that you can come in before or after class and work on your drawings, your projects. We work as teams. If somebody besides you can help you, or you can help them, you know, we work as a team to try to accomplish what we're doing. And completion of this program will, you know, prepare you to be an engineering assistant, detailer, or mechanical draftsman. Some of the employment opportunities that we have in the area is Nucor Engineering, McCall Thomas, Metz Engineering, and many more. And internships are available in the second year that you could work and go to school, earn money. And upon graduation, you may be offered a job for that company. And just to recap, the expected starting salary in the Orangeburg area is $18 per hour, and when you move out of the area 40, 50, 60 miles, that will increase. And I can tell you right now that the job outlook for CAD operators is excellent. And again, all it takes is 5 semesters or 2 years to complete. And you can see our program website and my contact information. And if you need to get in touch with me, you can take a look at this telephone number or what building I'm in, and I'd be glad to help you out.